In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set your channel as made for kids. So if your videos are set to not made for kids like this, and you'd like to go ahead and change the default setting such that it is always checked on yes, it is made for kids, then it is pretty much simple. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, now to get started, go to YouTube Studio and then head over to settings here. From this, choose this option called channel and then click on advanced setting. Now under advanced settings, you will see your current setting is set as not made for kids. However, I like to change this to the first one, which is this channel is made for kids. And to do that, just tap on it and then go ahead and save these changes. So you have to know that by default, all the videos that you will be uploading from now will be set to made for kids. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.